Hey, hi, my name is Aatul Palandurkar, and in this video, we will learn how to download and install Java Development Kit or JDK. So let's start with Googling it. So I'll just search JDK 8 or download 64-bit. So it's giving me a suggestion. Okay, so I'm just going to use this. So this is the first link. I'm going to click on this first link. I'll just scroll a bit down. I'll just scroll a bit. So here it is for Windows 64. I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I just use this. If you're using Windows 32-bit, so you can use x86, or if you're using Mac or Linux, you can just try these different binaries. So as of now, I'm using Windows 64-bit and Windows 11 basically. So I'm just going to click on this. So let me just click on this. So if you see, when I click on this, it's asking me for a small agreement. I'll just click on this and I'll just click download. So this will start the download now. Before the download, it basically asks you to subscribe, okay, or sign in. So if you're not signed in, you can just sign up. You can just create an account. And if you're already signed in, you can just sign in with your account. So I'll sign in with my account. So we'll just wait for a moment. So it's getting downloaded. We'll just download quickly. Once it is downloaded, you can just start installing it. Installation is again very simple. There's nothing as such. Since it is downloaded now, we can just install it. So let me just click on this. It will start the installation. So it's asking me for installation. So let's get started with it. It's preparing. Now it has come up. Let's click on this. Just click next, 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 and it will install. You don't need to do anything specifically. Just click next. You need to accept that one sometime. Don't click back or cancel anytime. Okay, so this is it. I'll just click on this. Again, next. So now this is installing JRE. JDK is installed. Now it is installing JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So Java Development Kit is already installed. Now it is installing the JRE. Okay, so let's wait. It take a while sometimes. It doesn't take a lot of time, so you can just wait. So as you can see, Java SC Development Kit 8 installed successfully. Okay, successfully installed. So now you can just click close. So now this is installed and you can go and write your programs. But before you write your programs, make sure the path is set. Okay, if you don't know how to set the path, please watch the next video carefully. Thank you.